Hey, I'm Luca Ricca and today I'm gonna show you exercises you can do to improve your drawing skills. So let's get started with exercises. So start by making a scribbly line in all directions and try to produce a satisfying texture. Lol, right now I was just changing the pen so it's more visible for you guys. Next, try short, staccato marks that fill the space. Okay, now draw straight controlled uniform lines next to each other. When you are drawing these, make them all the same length and same distance apart, keeping them as straight as possible. Repeat these 3 exercises. Lol, it was a bit difficult for me to do this exercise correctly because it's my first time using tablet and pen. I usually use my mouse for my drawings. Here I tried to fix the mistakes, but it really doesn't matter since it's just an exercise. Now take a line for a walk but don't cross over it anywhere. This may seem rather obsessive, but this is a step on the way to teaching your hand to draw recognizable forms. Next, try a variety of straight lines, again trying to get them straight and the same distance apart, fitting into imagined rectangle. First do diagonals from upper left to lower right. Then horizontals, then diagonals from upper right to lower left. Next, try the 2 diagonals across each other to form a net. Then horizontals and verticals in the same fashion. Like this video and subscribe if this videos is helpful, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, of course I'm doing everything a bit off since I'm exercising with this new pen. Lol. You're doing great. Let's not do zigzag, use your pencil up and down. Use the same action but incorporate some loops. To practice more circular forms, make spirals. Work from outside to inside clockwise anti-clockwise, then tighter with the lines closer together. Next work from center outwards anti-clockwise and then clockwise. I didn't do all of these types of this exercise, but I'm mentoring it to you if you want to try different variations. Now I'm just testing this exercise to see if it works on digital art too, but it actually doesn't work. Good job everyone, you're doing great. Now we are going to do next set of exercises that get progressively harder. So the next exploration in mark making is to draw a mass of zigzags and continuous line crisscrossing over itself. Now make softer curvy lines overlapping themselves. And now cloud-like shapes going round and round in continual line overlapping itself. Next come small circles, lots of them lined up. Now again small circles, but inside of each circle put a nicely drawn spot. Next make a network of vertical and horizontal lines drawn very carefully. You will see that I struggled here to do this exercise.
This exercise was pretty boring to me, but spread a mass of dots over an area as evenly as possible. Remember that this is training for the eye as well as the hand, so the evenness of the dots is important. Draw now small squares in line as evenly as possible and lined up. The next exercise afterwards is a bit harder to draw evenly, but try it anyway. Make rows of triangles fitting together so that the space between them is as even as possible and that they are lined up. Draw rows of spirals joined together as if they were waves on the sea. Under them draw a row of waves again as even as you can get them. Good job once again, we're close to the end. For the rest of the exercises on this page, the emphasis is on lightness of touch and control of the direction. The first one is vague circular shape of closely drawn lines to create a shaded area of tone. After that, make series of similar shaded areas, starting form curved drawn line so that one edge is defined. Using the same technique, draw horizontal lines. After that, shade away from a zigzag edge. Next, make them vertically. After that, shade away from an S-curved edge. This is the last exercise of this video. Draw them diagonally slanting to the left. After that, draw a circle and shade inside and outside of opposite edges. That would be it for today. Have fun drawing and doing these exercises. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.